Students, welcome back. It's Mamta Mahendrata for English classes. As parts of speech is continued, today's topic is preposition. Preposition is a word placed before noun to show in what relation with things or persons denoted by the noun. The letter is from him. Now the relationship between letter and him is told by from. So here's from is a preposition. There are a lot of prepositions like on, at, in, between, among, to, from, for, since, etc. Now, as some prepositions have some particular uses, so here we discuss about them. First, at, in. At is used for the small extent of time and space, and in is used for the wider extent of time and place. We can see the examples. Mohit lives at Kathua. He lives in Mumbai. For Mumbai, for the wider extent, we use in, and for the small extent of place, we use at. Next, on, in, at. We use on for days and dates, in for months and year, and at for a point of time. Like, he will go to Delhi on Sunday. Rain started in July. We had tea at 5 o'clock. Now, on, in, and at we can use particularly with the difference of their uses. Next is between, among. Between is used for the two, and when more than two we describe, we use among. The two brothers quarreled between themselves. Now here's two brothers, and I took the same example to denote the next. The three brothers quarreled among themselves. When more than two, we use among. Next is in, into, on, upon. Now in and on comes for the rest in the position, and into and upon comes for the motion in the condition. He was sitting in the room. As the rest, we use in. The fox fell into the well. Motion, and we used into. The book is on the table. Rest, so we use on. The cat jumped upon the table. Again, the motion, and we used upon. Next, with, by. With we use for the instrument. He beat his servant with a stick. Now stick, and we used with. By for the doer or the agent. The book was written by me. By here, the doer, and we used by for that. Beside and besides. Beside means by the side of, means near, and besides means in addition to. So she came and sat beside me, near me. I have 3 other books besides this, in addition to. In this way, we can practice more and more prepositions with the sentences using for them. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching me, subscribing me.